Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this remote control dinosaur. It comes with some spraying function, sound function, has even touch sensing, and the remote control has a walking function, water mist spray, LED light, sound, realistic joint movement. Here on the side a little bit more details about the remote control. Here some possible applications. So let's take it out. First the remote control and then the dinosaur itself. Separate tail. Yeah, everything is nicely protected, and so you can see it is in really good condition. Takes just 5 seconds to fully assemble it. And so I would say it looks really good. I definitely love the style. Also the remote control is really nicely made. And so here's the battery pack. Comes in with a screwdriver, and it comes with a dedicated charging cable, which has normal standard USB-A plug. And on this side we connect it to the power pack. Turn it on here. Let's see, we get a red light indicating that it's charging. Of course also the remote control needs some battery. So let's open C. Looks like it's 2 times standard AA batteries. So make sure that you have 2 of them, especially when you buy this as a gift. Here on top we have the on-off for the dinosaur, and underneath the opening for the battery pack. So we can easily open that. And so here we have the instructions, first and last page. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything. And that's page 2 and 3. We are already done. And so the battery is fully charged. We can see the red light is off. And so we have to push down here to release the battery. And so we connect it down here. Just push it inside. So let's see how we can push it inside. So we can still cover the lid. Yeah, we have to really push it here in the back a little bit inside. And now use the screw. Properly closed. And we can see already the nice blue light before we are using the remote control. By the way, we have these motorized wheels here, we have these passive wheels, the legs are movable, also the arms, and when the head is moving left and right, then it's opening the jaw. But of course we can also turn it completely off here with this switch. So we add the 2 batteries here, close also this compartment, super safe with the screws, and the screws are also secured, that they are not getting lost. That's also a good thing. And the last step to get it ready, we have to fill the water. I fill this up with clean water under the tap. Let's see if we can fill the whole bottle here inside. Yeah, looks like it's easy to fill. Would maybe even fit more, but I guess it's enough for the beginning. Let's close it properly so it's not leaking. And we turn it on with the switch. And so let's use the remote control. Oh wow, okay, pretty impressive. So I stop it again, otherwise I can't talk. But you can see how this works. What's also really important is that it's built as safe as possible. And I would say that's the case here. You can see the only wheels which are moving have a very narrow opening here. So it's definitely not possible to push here inside with your fingers and then get stuck and get hurt or so. I would say this is as safe as possible. And we do not only have the remote control to control it, but we have also a touch sensitive area here in the back. What we have to do, we have to turn it on, then we see the blue light here, but we still can't use the touch sensitive area which is here. We have to first activate it with this button here. Okay, and now it's in standby, and we can use this touch sensitive area here in the back. You can see now it goes into this automatic demo program. Really nice. So we have a really nice, good looking, fancy dinosaur with the remote control, easy to use. So after we turn it on, we see the blue flashing light, and then we can use this remote control. So I show you all the functions here. So let's use the left shoulder button, right shoulder button, left front foot, right front foot, left rear foot, right rear foot. We can also use both feet at the same time. So it goes straight, also backward, and it's pretty fast. Can make nice circles, absolutely no problem, easy to control. And it's not only spitting fire, we can also activate some music. Or some sound effects. Or start the demo program from here. And as a last test, I've done an endurance test of the battery. The reading on the battery shows only 800 milliamps. So I've been worried a little bit that the battery wouldn't last for very long. I've tested it with normal driving for around 10 minutes, and then I started the endurance test, and the dinosaur kept running and running and running and running for more than 40 minutes on top of the already 10 minutes. So I have no doubt that this thing could even go longer than 1 hour at full speed. I'm talking about full speed, not just using a little bit here and there, but really full speed. That's absolutely crazy. So the battery seems to be super powerful, and I really had to give up because it was too challenging for me. It could be a new challenge, dinosaur challenge, to keep it running for hours and hours, because I can tell you it's not so easy as it looks. I've been thinking first, yeah, this would be only something for 3 years old, 5 years old, something like that. But there are quite some challenges. You can try to make more narrow turns, wider turns, and it's not even easy to make normal turns because left and right is actually switched. You don't have a normal steering wheel. You accelerate just either from the right side and from the left side, and when you accelerate on the right side, it's turning to the left side. Also, there's another challenge. You can try to go with the dino at full speed forward without touching the floor with the tail. That's not so easy. So you have to try to accelerate as slow as possible, not at once at full speed, because then it would touch the ground. Also, you can try to let the dinosaur spit fire when you are driving around at the same time. Yeah, both functions can be used at the same time. I can definitely tell you there are quite some challenges. I mean, it's easy to start, but you can add some challenges on top, so kids can have some really interesting time with their friends and family. So I can highly recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.